Hello, Ms. Casillas and Mr. Ito. I will be presenting my math and chemistry PoL. First, I will start with my math. This is my homework completion sheet for Unit 2. I completed most of my homework, but not all of it, and I did understand the content. This is my assessment score chart, also for Unit 2. I completed most of my corrections, and I used my notes and asked your help. I asked you for help in other peers around the room, and I went through the problems and retraced my steps to see what mistakes I made. What I did this semester to improve my grade is I studied this semester and also asked questions and took time working on my assignments and also doing classwork. For the essential skill that I will be presenting, I will be presenting essential skill 1 and learning target 1.2. Here you can see the comparison between my quiz and test, and I didn't do the corrections for the quiz, but I managed to do a lot better on my test. On the quiz, I did horribly bad because I didn't know exactly I didn't study and I didn't know exactly what to put for the angles, and I answered wrong. But then, as I studied for my test, then I went slowly and studied for that test, and then got the problems right. My semester analysis. My current grade is a B minus in integrated math 2, and I think I deserve this grade because I try to do the best in my class and participate in the work that we do, and I feel that I can do better and hope to raise my grade up next semester. Now we'll start my chemistry PoL. I will be presenting Unit 1, and the essential skills I will be doing are 1A, random molecular motion, 1B, gas laws, 1C, standard temperature and pressure, or also known as STP, 1D, Kelvin and Celsius, 1E, ideal gas law. I will start with random molecular motion. Random molecular motion is more likely collisions and movement. As you can see in the picture, there's just a whole bunch of atoms moving around. For the gas laws, there are 4 laws. There's Charles' law, Boyle's law, Gay-Lussac's law, and combined gas law. For Charles' law, there's the what's the word? The equation for that is P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2, and that has a direct relationship. And for Boyle's law, it is P1 V1 equals P2 V2, and that is an inverse relationship. And Gay-Lussac's law is P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2, and that is a direct relationship. And for the combined gas law, it is P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. For 1C STP, standard pressure is 273 Kelvin, also known as 0 degrees Celsius. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere, or 760 mmHg, or 760 torr. Celsius and Kelvin. Celsius could be Kelvin minus 273, and Kelvin could be Celsius plus 273. For the ideal gas law, the equation is PV equals nRT, or also known as Pivner. P in Pivner is pressure, the V is volume, the N is the number of moles. R equals to two things. It would either equal to 0.0821 liters atmosphere over moles K, or it would equal to 62.36 liters mmHg over moles K, and the T in Pivner will be temperature. Thank you for your time. Do you have any questions? Please don't ask questions.